Hello, Teddy, and today in my hand we have X laces. X laces. So, this is one of them. I'm going to show you how you place these Xpand laces on your shoe. I'm going to take off. So I think you have to take off your laces to the other shoe. Let me just open you up. So the cool thing about Xpand laces is that it's like it says that it's like you don't have to tie your shoe. It's like you have to do like some weird thing, and then it's like it'll automatically tie your shoe them out. So I'm just gonna take all of them out. Maybe I could just go out sip, sip, sip to make the video a little bit faster. Now, second step is to place your beautiful laces through. Like this. So then after you place your thing right here, there, you tighten your shoe up. So it's going to be really tight. Not like super duper tight, but not like super fragile, not like super califragilisticexpialidocious tight, but like, pretty tight, like tight. You place it through the first hole, you slide it all the way down to here. Like this. And then, oh wait, not to that far, not that far, but like right there. That would be good. So then you place through through the second hole, right there. When you whoopsie doozle, this is weird. And when you slide it down, it should slide. Come on, right here. After it is right over here behind your shoe, you open it up like this, and then you place it. You see this little compartment right here? You place your shoelace through that compartment, like this. So this is your last chance. Place it in that compartment. You see this little compartment, you place it over in there. Then really make sure that it's tight, because if after you do this you cannot, you can't make it tighter. So be sure it's tight. So then you take out your scissors and then you trim. You just trim it off right there, and then you throw the other one away, and then you hide this one. So it's just like that's how it works. It's just like that, how it works. Just do it, and do it. So this is the second mode that you can do on your beautiful shoe. So then you take this, do the same thing as you did. Place it through this hole. But this time it's over here. It's supposed to just follow every single step I do. Then you slide it down towards the bottom. Come on. Slide it towards the bottom of the surface. So then you place this thing right here inside of your compartment. And this time you have to cut it. But cut it about not really close, but about right here. No. Right here. No, cut it about right here. Yeah, that's good. So then you take these things right here, you put it, like this. So then, after you shut it, you just bend it like that, and then you shut it. It's hard. Let me take some scissors. There you go. You shut it, and then bam. Is your second mode right there. Daddy, bow, bow, day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and bye-bye.